Hello, I'd just like to show you this website. I get quite a few customers coming in for replacement keys. We do the WD keys, which are on the shelf. So if you have a WD number, I think it's from 1 to 199, you can come in, they're £2.50. We've got them on the shelf, we can just hand them over, that's not a problem. But anything else, and mainly the FW keys for Swift and Bailey, which are down here, FW series, they're harder to get hold of. We can order them from Myriad. So if you did come in and we can order them, that's not a problem. That's the original ones, or you can get them cut if you're away from here, or you can't get to a caravan dealer. Then if you just type in your number of the caravan key that you want up there, they will cut you a new one. They're not quite as good as getting an original from the manufacturers, but they're still pretty good, and they will work. And they just need a little bit of work in the first few times and a bit of WD, but they do work. But also they do more obsolete keys. Anything you can think of, they'll pretty much do. You can see down the side here, they're all the manufacturers, and they'll tell you what the keys are. So if it's a bit more obscure, maybe try replacement keys. They're very good. Type in the key number, it comes up, pay your money, and then pretty much next day they turn up on your doorstep. So I just thought I'd share that with you, because this is what we're telling most of our customers to do if it's a bit of a different key that we can't get hold of. There you go. Thank you.